Hello! So in today's video, we'll be having a brief introduction on the basic cellular structures of the cell membrane. With many signaling abilities, a cell membrane consists of a phospholipid bilayer. The structure describes a fluid mosaic model since it is constantly moving or fluid and is a mosaic of components including carbohydrates and proteins. As you can tell by the name, the prefix bi means two, hence the two layers. As you may have noticed in Cluck's balloon, the round purple part of the balloon represents the polar hydrophilic head that loves water. The strings can also represent the nonpolar hydrophobic tails, therefore making the membrane amphiphilic. And as you can see, phospholipids are the most abundant lipids in the cell membrane, which Cluck is pretty excited about since that means he can throw a party. With the fluid mosaic model, short, rigid molecules known as cholesterol makes up about 20% of lipids in the cell membrane. Cholesterol becomes an important component of the cell membrane as it stabilizes the membrane by either preventing phospholipids from packing too closely together or from drifting too far apart. Green integral proteins are embedded within the membrane. In contrast, yellow peripheral proteins are bound indirectly to the membrane and do not directly interact with the phospholipids. Glycoproteins are proteins with a carbohydrate attached to them. Similar to glycoproteins, glycolipids are also attached to carbohydrates and they facilitate cellular recognition. Glycosphingolipids are also represented in pink that may be evident between transmembrane proteins and cholesterol. As you can see, this creates the lipid raft, which are small regions of the cell membrane that are composed of assemblies of proteins and lipids that float freely within the lipid bilayer. This area is rich in cholesterol and is also very tightly packed. The function includes cell signaling, cell surface proteolysis, endocytosis, and secretion. With the components of the cell membrane summarized, I hope you enjoyed this video.